Welcome to the Smart Finance Hub, where we decode the secrets of wealth creation. Today, we're delving into a topic that everyone dreams about: how to build your wealth and achieve financial success. In this video, we'll explore 10 assets that can make you rich. From tried and true classics to cutting-edge opportunities, these assets have a track record of turning investments into wealth. Stay tuned as we explore each asset in detail and provide you with the knowledge you need to make informed investment decisions. So if you're ready to take control of your financial destiny, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from the Smart Finance Hub. Remember, wealth begins with knowledge, and we're here to empower you on your journey to financial success. Let's dive in. Number 1. Real estate. You see, real estate isn't just about buying houses. It's a powerful asset that can make you rich. And here's why. First, real estate values tend to go up over time. Imagine if the value of your sneakers or smartphone kept increasing. Second, rental income. You can earn money while you sleep. Rent from tenants can be a sweet paycheck. Third, you can increase your property's value through renovations. It's like giving your investment a facelift. Also, real estate can create generational wealth. Pass down properties to your kids, and they'll thank you later. And don't forget about digital real estate, like websites and domains. They can also generate income and increase in value, just like physical properties. Let's move on to our next wealth-building opportunity. Number 2. Entrepreneurship. One big reason why entrepreneurship is an asset: you're the boss. No more taking orders from someone else. You get to steer the ship, set your own course, and decide where to dock. That kind of control can lead to some serious wealth building. Another thing, when you're an entrepreneur, your income isn't capped. It's not like a regular job where you're stuck with a fixed salary. The sky's the limit. Your hard work can translate into more profits, and those profits can stack up real nice. Plus, entrepreneurship encourages creativity. Got a killer idea? Well, you can turn it into reality. And guess what? Innovative ideas can become gold mines. Think about those guys who invented smartphones. They're swimming in cash. Here's a cool trick. Entrepreneurs often have multiple income streams. You're not relying on a single paycheck. You could have your main business, side gigs, investments, all working together to pad your bank account. Alright folks, it's time to awaken your inner investor, because now we're discussing digital currencies as avenues that have the potential to make you rich. Number 3. Digital currencies. So why digital currencies? Well, think of them as the future of money. Just like how smartphones change the way we communicate, digital currencies are revolutionizing how we handle cash. They offer opportunities for growth and investment that traditional money can't match. Unlike traditional investments, anyone can jump in. You don't need to be a finance whiz. You can start small, buying even a fraction of a Bitcoin or other digital currencies. The best part, no banks or middlemen. Digital currencies are decentralized, putting you in control of your wealth. No more hefty fees or delays. Digital currencies have a track record of skyrocketing in value. Just look at Bitcoin's incredible rise. But remember, there are risks, so do your research. Now let's switch gears and discuss financial instruments, one of the 10 ways to build wealth. Number 4. Financial instruments. Financial instruments are like tools in your financial toolbox. Think of them as ways to grow your money, just like planting seeds in a garden. Imagine you want to buy a house, but you don't have enough cash. Financial instruments can help you save and invest over time, so you can reach that goal faster. Stocks, bonds, and even cryptocurrencies are all examples of financial instruments. They're like different vehicles to get you to your destination of wealth. Financial instruments can make your money work for you. When you invest wisely, your money can grow over time, earning you more cash. It's like having a money-making machine. Now let's turn our focus to a valuable resource. Number 5. Commodities. Gold and silver have been treasured for centuries. They're like the real-life treasures that hold their value and can grow your wealth over time. Energy sources like oil and natural gas power our world. Investing in them can mean a piece of the energy pie, and that's a pretty big pie. Commodities prices are driven by basic supply and demand. When something's in high demand and supply is low, prices shoot up. That's where the magic happens. Investing in commodities isn't just about putting all your eggs in one basket. It's like having a diverse buffet of assets. Diversifying your investments with commodities can protect your wealth when other markets are shaky. It's like having a safety net for your money. If one investment isn't doing great, another might be booming. Oh, and here's a neat trick. Commodities can help protect your money from losing value due to inflation. When the cost of living goes up, so can the prices of commodities. Your wealth stays safe. Now let's dive into the world of land investments. Number 6. Land investments. First off, land is limited. They're not making more of it. As cities expand and populations grow, the demand for land keeps going up. Second, land values tend to go up over time. It's like a money tree that keeps on growing. Third, you can earn a steady income from land, whether it's through renting it out or developing it. Plus, land is a tangible asset. Unlike stocks or cryptocurrencies, you can touch it, see it, and feel it. And the best part, land can be a powerful retirement plan. You can cash in on your investment when you're ready to kick back and enjoy life. Number 7. Equipment leasing. Imagine you're starting a business or expanding one. Buying all the equipment can drain your savings, right? But with equipment leasing, you can get what you need without emptying your pockets. This means more cash flow for your business to grow and thrive. Plus, leasing keeps your equipment up to date, making your business more competitive. So in the long run, equipment leasing isn't just an expense. It's an asset that can help you get rich by boosting your business's success. In today's tech-driven era, there's an entirely fresh universe of valuable stuff waiting for you in the online world. Let's take a closer look at the realm of digital assets and find out how this path can assist you in growing your riches. Number 8. Digital assets. Digital assets are like valuable treasures in the digital realm. Think of them as your online properties, such as cryptocurrencies, NFTs or non-fungible tokens, and digital collectibles. They're not just ones and zeros, they have real-world value. So why can digital assets make you rich? Well, it's all about the potential for growth. Cryptos can skyrocket in value, turning early investors into millionaires. NFTs can appreciate like rare art pieces, fetching massive profits when sold. Plus, they're accessible to anyone with an internet connection. Number 9. Building a strong brand equity. First off, strong brand equity gives your business credibility. Think about it. When you see a well-known logo or hear a catchy slogan, you instantly trust that brand, right? Customers do too. It's like having a trustworthy friend in the business world. Secondly, it builds customer loyalty. When people have a positive experience with your brand, they keep coming back. Imagine having customers who are so loyal that they choose your product over competitors without a second thought. Take Apple for instance. They've built such a strong brand that people line up for hours just to get their latest products. That's the power of brand equity in action. Finally, let's explore an often underestimated resource that can significantly impact your path to financial success. Number 10. Continuous learning. Continuous learning opens doors to new opportunities. When you're constantly growing your skills and knowledge, you become more valuable to employers and clients. that leads to better job prospects and higher income. Being a lifelong learner means you can adapt to change. In a fast-paced world, those who adapt thrive. It's like having a secret weapon in your career arsenal. Want to create the next big thing? Learning fuels innovation. It helps you think creatively, find new solutions, and maybe even invent something groundbreaking. So there you have it, 10 assets that can make you rich. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment below with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Your support means the world to us, and it helps us keep creating content to empower you on your financial journey. Stay tuned for more, and until next time, take care and stay financially savvy.